Pilot 2, Industrial Valve Component via Laser DED.
Hello, I am Sasan Amir Abdollahian from Trentino Sviluppo Pro-M facility, and we are involved in the pilot case 2 regarding repairing of industrial valves in oil and gas sector. In this case, we are using super duplex stainless steels based on the requirements of these valves that need to be in corrosive environments, and we have to develop right parameters for the repairing of these valves. So we are involved mainly in feasibility study of suitability of this material and technology, and we are investigating the characterization of this mechanical characterization, corrosion behavior, after finding the proper heat treatment, after deposition of this material, which is quite particular. So in this pilot case, we are mainly involved in the technical aspects of the evaluation of the characterizations and technical aspects, but in the general framework of the project, the Diamedia platform will help us also to evaluate the economic aspects and the sustainability and circular economy issues, which will help us to have a better evaluation for the repairing activities.